Yeah, you can see here what the sand, what the soil is like, Tom. It's all sandy around here. Which isn't very good if you're going to be eroded.
Going to be what, eroded? No.
Yeah. Dusty.
Which is why they put shingle down.
Dusty.
Golf club.
Golf club, yeah. He reckons that bloke you go round by the golf club.
Yeah.
So it is down here. We do know that.
Sky Sports box office boxing. Watch exclusive live coverage of Newcastle fight. Ah, Newcastle. Fight night on the cards, including Jake Hague v Adam Jones and Ricky Burns. The fighters gets onto me. Nice two chairs though, nice two head by.
Right, left, right,
Yeah,
left,
right.
right, left, right. This is the longest 5 minutes I've ever been on.
Yeah.
I think Auntie Claire has exaggerated.
Yeah. Exaggerated.
Not told us the truth.
3 minutes, guys, 3 minutes. I think this is not off the head.
There's branches somewhere.
3 minutes. It's been 3 minutes.
3
for the
minutes.
last 10.
Tom, I think this is a platform.
No platform. So yeah, that is the video, and Uncle Tom just doing a pose for a photo of the railway station. We found it, it was quite good. Where to keep on walking and stuff like that. And then, if we want to say that, it's quite dangerous for Uncle Tom. He wants to run in the road. That is quite a dangerous road. He's got all be try to hit your cars right like that. It will hurt you, will hit you. That will be scared too much. Oh my gosh, that is the oh my gosh. So that is this is the video. That is the video right there. We walked all the way out, and also on the way out, it's something. That's somewhere we walked to someone's house. We walked back, went to the other direction, same direction as we entered, and we had a good time. And also we went to a pub as well. So it's quite a good one. I really enjoyed it today from yesterday. I really enjoyed it. I want to show you. So yeah, have a good day. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this day. Have a good weekend. Take care and have a good nice sunny day tomorrow, whatever. So have a good day. Thanks for watching and goodbye.